Hi, I'm Brenda Terry, and I'm the owner of Elite Wellness Training, and I am doing another video to help the elderly with strengthening their legs. This video is going to go into how you can stretch your legs and not have to stand up. So all these stretches are going to be from a sitting position, and then I'm also going to add a calf strengthening. So my first video I did was basic leg strengthening, home exercises for the elderly. And so I'm excited to continue with these videos and give you ideas where you can help your grandparents or your parents or yourself get stronger legs and be able to do more activities. Okay, we'll get started. Pick a chair, do the leg strengthening, and then after you do your leg strengthening, then these are stretches you can do after, which is really important because you don't want to get tight and then not be able to move properly. So the first stretch is you're just going to come to the end of your chair here, and you're going to do one leg at a time. Okay, this is going to be an inner thigh stretch. So again, you're going to use your chair and you're going to put your leg out like this. And then you're going to bring your chest up and lean forward. And you're going to hold that for 10 to 20 seconds. And if you're really tight in here, it's okay to have your leg bent. Just whatever you can do without overstretching that muscle. And then we're going to do the other side. And you can even come over here on this side, so you have more of a seat if you feel uncomfortable being on the edge of your chair. And then you're going to stretch here and go forward. And again, you're going to feel that stretch in there. You might even have to move your foot like that to feel it if you're not tight. Okay, so you're going to do that twice on each side. So it's a really great one. You can do this even sitting on a couch if it's not too soft while you're watching TV or in another type of chair. So if you can, you're going to bring your ankle up to your thigh and just place it like this. Now a lot of people are really tight and their knee will be up like this. I don't want you to force it down, just keep it right there like that. If it's really tight, just do the best you can to try to relax and let that muscle relax. So it's gonna be pulling this glute area right there. So what you want to do is try to hold that. If this is your first time, do again just 10 seconds to 15 and just count. And then you're going to go down, and then you're going to bring the other one up. And then I also had clients where they couldn't put their leg or their ankle on their leg, so you have to do it like this. And then you have to scoot back, but you can also do it this way. And if you have an autumn, you can put it on that also. You might even have to do it like this on a stool. But if you can, just bring it up on your leg, and you can put this leg down so it's not too high. And again, you're just going to hold it there, and you should feel quite the stretch. And then I'm going to have you do those 2 times on each side. Okay, so now we're going to stretch the ankle area a little bit. And so what I want you to do is just lift your leg, and you're going to point your toe, and then you're going to flex. So when you point, you're stretching right in here, and then when you flex, you're stretching right in here. So I want you to do 10 of those each way. Okay, and then you're going to do your other side. And if you need to lean back, or if you need to be against the back of the chair, that's fine. And then you're going to point and flex, point and flex, and you should be able to feel a stretch in the shin area. And then this is really good for the calf and the ankle, and also helps strengthen it. So you'll do 10 on this side. Okay, and then one set of those is probably pretty good. Okay, so this is a stretch, and this towel's a little heavy, but you can use a towel or you can use a band, and then you're just gonna put your foot on it like that, and then you can just pull it up and stretch that way. And this is gonna stretch your hamstring. So just pull it up like that, and then you can go back down, and you can pull it up, and it actually feels really good. So on this one, if you can hold it for 10 seconds, that's great. If you can't, then just do like 5 or 6, just like that. Okay. So our last exercise is going to be calf strengthening. And if you have a book like this or even thicker, place it right below you so you can put your balls of your feet on there. And then you're just going to let your heels drop to the floor, and then you're going to go up. And so as you go up, contract your calf. Think about the muscle you're working, and do about 10 to 15, just like that. If that's too easy, then you can place some resistance here. You can even push down, or you can put some books or a couple of dumbbells and give yourself some resistance. Okay, so this is the front view. And again, go ahead and go down, heels to the floor, and then you're just gonna go up. Try to keep your knees straight. A lot of times people will go out like this. Try to keep it straight and go towards the big toe. Okay. Okay, so that's the end of this video for stretching in a seated position. I hope you find them helpful, and I hope you can see that it doesn't matter where you're at on your fitness or how weak you are. There's always a way to start exercising and strengthening and stretching so you can move better and have more strength. So I'll leave the link down below on the first exercise of how to strengthen your legs seated. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. And I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye.